Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the tool review series. I'm not going to be exactly doing a tool review, but I'm going to do a review on something that I found that you might be interested in. In the meantime, I've got these containers here from IKEA. I'm not going to need these anymore. I'm going to just get rid of them, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. I was out doing some Christmas shopping at Home Depot, and it seemed like every year I buy something for myself, and this is what I bought this year. This is an HDX Interlocking Organizer. It comes in a 2-pack, and I'm going to show you what I use this for. Let me put this one aside right here. In this box are my GoPro and action camera accessories. Now I do have 3 of these stacked up, and the way you stack these is you just slide these little levers, one on each side, and they'll come apart. So let me show you what I got in here. Let me open this one up. It comes with these trays. These are permanent. These are little dividers that you can take out this way or this way, whatever you see fit. So I keep all my GoPro, well, excuse me, not GoPro, but I keep all my action camera accessories in these bins. Each one of these compartments, when I get everything completely organized, is going to be a home for something specific, such as these nuts and bolts. This is one connection. This is another kind of connection. Let me show you the second one here. Let me unlock these. Now this one will hold my action cameras. You see I have 5 different ones in here. 2 of them I don't use because I only bought them just to get the accessories. These cameras do take the regular GoPro accessories. Most of them anyway. It won't take the housing, but most of the accessories they'll take. Down here is a bicycle handlebar attachment. But anyway, I'm going to find this very useful for me. I'm going to be using this a lot. So much better than those IKEA food containers that I had earlier. What's in this bottom tray down here? This one I keep. I'll have a couple of tripods in here, small tripods, the instruction booklets to the cameras, just more accessories. Here I have my plug-in chargers with some cords right here. So this isn't really a tool review, but just showing you something that you might be interested in purchasing. Stack all these back up, lock them down, slide the locking knob, I'll put this one back up here, slide this locking knob, slide this one, close this down. Now I have a 3-pack. Carry it from the center handle, very comfortable, very lightweight. I believe it's going to be pretty durable. I'm pleased with it. So a double pack of these, like I showed you here, double pack costs you $9.98 at the Home Depot. I'm sure you can order them online. I think you'll have something that you can fill these in. Maybe router bits, maybe. Possibly measuring tools. Or you can do like me, just put your action camera accessories in them. Now I did see there was two different more versions. There was a Milwaukee brand, which was thicker and a little bit bigger, and a DeWalt brand, which is also thicker and a little bit bigger, but they were twice the price. One tray was $10. No, one tray was $20 on the Milwaukee, and I believe on the DeWalt, 2 trays was like $24. But don't quote my prices, I'm just trying to go from memory. So, next time you're in Home Depot, check these out. Guaranteed you'll have a use for these. I do appreciate you watching.